Day 4. Today, you make your very first 3D object in FreeCAD. This is the moment the course gets real. Let's go. Switch to the Part workbench. Go to Part, Primitives in the menu. You'll see a list: box, cylinder, sphere, cone, torus, and more. These are called primitives, pre-built geometric shapes. Click Box. A box appears in the viewport. Look at the model tree on the left. It now shows Box listed under your document. Now look at the Properties panel at the bottom left. Under the Data tab, you'll see length, width, and height. These are currently set to 10 millimeters each. Click on Length and type 50. Press Enter. The box updates immediately. Change width to 30, height to 20. This is parametric modeling. You're not pushing and pulling faces. You're setting numbers, and the geometry follows. That's the FreeCAD philosophy. Now add a cylinder. Part, Primitives, Cylinder. Change its radius to 10 and its height to 40. Add a sphere, radius 15. Look at the model tree. All 3 objects are listed. Click each one to select it and see its properties. You can move objects by selecting them and using the placement property. Change the X, Y, Z position values. Or go to Part, Mirror, or use the placement dialog under Part, Attachment.
A quick note on document settings. Go to Edit, Preferences, General, Units. Set your unit system. For this course, millimeters. Go to File, Save, and save your file. FreeCAD saves in .fcstd format. That's the native format. Always save early and often. Use File, Save As to create versions as your models get more complex. Name this file Day04 Primitives so you can find it later. You've created 3D objects, changed their dimensions, and saved your file. Tomorrow, we combine shapes using Boolean operations, and that's where things get really interesting. See you on Day 5.